I'm Daniel Rudez. I'm here with the Balkan Daily News, and I'm here with Elmir Slavic. Welcome, Elmir.
Hi, thank you, welcome.
Could you please let us know where you're from?
Originally from Bosnia, Bosanski Petrovac. Came here in 1994, so almost like over 30 years now in Jacksonville. I would call Jacksonville my home now too.
Yeah.
Also,
What do you do now?
I do real estate business. So since 2007, I have licenses, and I do a lot of property management, acquisitions for the owners, for the investors, and also first-time home buyers. I can help buy and sell properties too.
What is really your specialty right now?
Well, it's always sales, but because market has slowed down, more and more people have properties they need help renting out.
Mm-hmm.
So I've started with the property management company as a broker associate, and I have over 100 properties that I manage right now, and that has been going really well since we have a very competitive pricing. Basically, I would manage your property for $100 a month.
Let me ask you, so what is going on right now in the real estate market?
So because of the high interest rates, everything has slowed down. There's still buyers, there's still sellers, but it's just that sales are down, and people are looking into alternatives by renting homes out while the market improves.
Okay. And so you say you can help people in the rental market right now?
So if you have a rental property, if you have been managing it yourself, or if you have a management company that you might not be satisfied with, they cannot find you a tenant, I'm here to help. I work with various platforms, including Section 8 recently, and I have been successfully filling up properties with a premium price.
Okay. Well, let me ask you, do you work with investors as well?
Yes, a lot of investors. Mostly these people that I manage property, they are investors. And so I have been working with investors with acquiring, building portfolios, and finding the tenants for them and selling properties for them.
What kind of investment properties primarily?
Mostly condos and houses. I mean, I have some commercial, like I have a commercial building, 30,000 square foot commercial building with offices that we are renting out also. But mostly properties that I'll deal with is a condominium houses and townhouses.
Do you do any work with short-term rental properties?
Yes, I help people acquire short-term rentals because short-term rental market is down. A lot of people are trying to offload, which means big opportunity for new buyers to buy rent-ready property, which will create income. And even though it's a little bit slow now, I'm sure that segment is going to come back, and that will be fine. So it's good window of opportunity to buy short-term rental right now.
Okay. Are there any unique, beyond short-term rental, are there any unique opportunities right now in this different environment that we don't know about?
So more and more foreclosures are coming to the market. So not as much as before, but it's fairly new thing where, and then also more and more sellers are willing to negotiate. So if somebody is really interested to buy, especially first-time home buyers, it's always a good time to buy as a property that you're going to live in. So people always ask me, when is the good time to buy? It's always a good time to buy. There is a program that is going to $35,000 assistance for down payment and closing costs for first-time home buyer. So that's no brainer. You don't even need money to get into the property as long as you have a good job and good credit. So that's opportunity for first-time home buyers. Investors, Yes, if you have money in the stock market and you are just scared of volatility of the stock market, then real estate is always a safe way to invest. That's gonna give you income every month as a rental property.
What do you suggest people do with now the mortgage rates? I know they might be a little bit high. Is there some way to handle that?
Yes, so there is a lot of ways to get a lower interest rate. New construction builders are offering buy down interest rates, which are as low as 3.99 right now.
Wow.
And then there is also this for the programs for first time home buyers. So there is a way around that 7% interest rate.
Oh, okay. In terms of any other unique types of real estate, what else do you do with investors in terms of any other segments?
So I have a few people looking for commercial properties, mostly for user occupied, like a truck parking, commercial plazas, stuff like that. I have some buyers for that. But again, because of the higher interest rate, I think time to buy is for owner-occupied properties.
Right. And so you mentioned also besides real estate brokering, you had some additional ancillary services like some management. What other different types of services you may provide that may assist an investor?
Okay, so management that we provide is hands-off. Basically, only thing you as a investor worry about that you receive that money at the beginning of the month. So everything else is handled by us. Communication with the tenants 24/7 through our website, through our text messages, through calls, collecting rent, screening the tenants, finding the tenants. Everything is handled by us in the company. So we have a pretty good team for that. Very competitive pricing, probably the best in town. And the best contractors that's going to give us the best prices for maintenance. So you'll save a lot of money in maintenance of maintaining the property. So it's no brainer for somebody that owns the property is to put it through property management like our company is, because it's just so hard to deal it as a beginner or somebody that doesn't have a resources or doesn't have a connections to try to maintain the property or try to deal with the tenants or try to screen the tenants. So it's really, we try to get all headache out of this process, which is pretty complicated process if you are just not familiar with it.
Right. Yeah, that is the scary part for investors is the everyday stuff about getting tenants, managing it, repairs and stuff like that. So that's a huge service to help investors to get into the real estate investment business.
Yeah, and that's why I have investors that never came to Jacksonville. They bought properties here with the notary, and I have people in California, New York, really in Europe, which never actually saw the property, but I'm managing their properties, and they have no issues collecting rent. They equity is growing, and they're collecting rent every month.
So it's like a full service management, and you're able to be worry free, and all you did is sign the dotted line. And you have an investment that's growing for you.
Sure. Yeah,
that's amazing. That's amazing. Well, Elmir, thank you again for taking the time to speak with us. Is there any other parting thoughts you want to share with us about anything else that we need to know about the world of real estate?
I just wanted to invite all other business owners to come to our events, Balkan Business Network. We meet monthly. Check our page, check our website. So it's really good networking where you can learn how to open the business, so you can promote your business that you already open. So that's what I want to add, and I want to thank you for just doing everything to promote this with your firm and personally. what you do for businesses in Jacksonville and Florida.
Thank you, Elmir. Well, how can we get a hold of you? How can someone get in contact with you if you want to help, want to work with you on real estate matters?
So to browse my website, just to find rental property or to buy property, it's showmejacks.com. That's my website, showmejacks.com. And you can always call me, my personal cell phone, 904-838-3134, 904-838-3134. So I'm available always to help you with advice or whatever. We don't charge for advice, so I'm gonna try to help you or answer any questions.
Well, Elmir, thank you for sharing with us the wealth of experience you have in the real estate world and the investment world, and hopefully you can help people to become a little bit more confident in investing and with all the great services you have to help us. But
Yes.
thank you again.
Yes, and just want to add one more thing. If anybody has a issue with a mortgage, or they cannot make a payments, or if they have any issues in that route, there's still solutions. So don't let property go to foreclosure. If you have any cannot make a payment this month, give me a call and I'll find a solution for you.
Awesome. That's a huge help because we're in strange times right now, and so any help is a help. All right. Thank you, Elmir.
Thank you.